Hey everyone, today I want to show you our latest feature at Sunvoy. My name is Hervé Billet, CEO of Sunvoy. We're going to show you how we build the e-signature inside Sunvoy. The goal is simple. Solo installers have a lot of paperwork to get signed, approved, filled out, and we fill out the names and we ask our customers for the address, but we know all of that information. Why do we ask our clients for their name and address when we very much know exactly what that information is? So the idea is to save money, bring the cost down to $2 a watt to get installed. And the one way of doing that is by simplifying your operations. When a project hits a certain milestone, send information, send documents pre-filled to your customers and have them sign it. What do you think is the best way for a customer to quickly sign a document? It's poorly if everything's pre-filled and they just need to sign, compared to asking them how many panels installed, what is a kilowatt hours, like have everything pre-filled for them. All right, so enough of the introduction, let's just dive in. So you go to settings, and under settings, you'll find a new e-signature tab. Right there, you can have multiple envelopes. What's an envelope? An envelope is a combination of multiple documents. So you can send one or more documents to the homeowner. So let's add a document. This is a load calc that I prepared here. You go up this one, add document, and let's have a look. All right, so now the customer can, you can drag fields on here for the customer or for the employee. I'm just gonna take one here. Service location, and either you can pre-type something, pre-fill it, or you can also use information from Sunvoy. And Sunvoy grabs that information from your CRM, from design tools, from your inverter information, like wherever you're gonna get it. So use this user.address, simple, and this. And so now it's pre-filled. So you drag more fields, things like that. When it's pre-filled, here you can say it's not editable. Why? Because it's already pre-filled. All right, simple. Customer name, well, we know the customer name. So that is actually like this. It's user.first_name. And if you don't know all the placeholders, go to the documents tab here and look in the documentation for all the placeholders. All right, and then on the bottom here, we're gonna drag a signature, and we're gonna size it appropriately. All right, something like that. And then here you have more information for all the fields. You save your document, and voila, you're done. You can test it here, send an envelope test version. You can add multiple people, multiple steps. Let's do a quick test here. And here you can just sign it. There we go. Now you can head over to the automation, and when a project, let us quickly do that. Automation, and here add a new automation, sign on permit step. So here we're gonna do based on a project. When a project hits a specific milestone, let's say action required, pre-approve redesign. So when it hits that milestone, what we're gonna do? We're gonna then make a different action. We're gonna send the e-signature, and we're gonna select the envelope. So you can also send an envelope based on the county. For example, if it's in this county, you can add a decision step here based on zip code, for example. If the project zip code is equal to 22031, then send this envelope over. Otherwise, send another envelope. So this is a very powerful tool, and hopefully you love it. All right, take care.